Dear students, today we are going to learn about percentage of amounts here. So let's see the questions, how to deal questions like this. So first question is write 8 as a percentage of 18. So what you need to do, you need to focus on this as a percentage of. So as a percentage of 18, it means this is going in a denominator and this is coming in the numerator. Okay, so 8 as a percentage of 18 means 8 divided by 18 times 100. Okay, that will be answer for your A part here. Similarly, for B, write 1000 as a percentage of 1200. So what it should be? It should be 1000 divided by 1200 times 100. Okay, similarly, C part will be 128 as a percentage of 153. So 128 divided by 153 times 100. And D part, it is 5 hours and 1 day. So 1 day, because if you see unit is hours and it is day, so it has to same. So 1 day is 24 hours. Okay, so you need to find 5 hours as a percentage of 24 hours. So it should be 5 over 24 times 100, and the last part will be 394,000 people as a percentage of 2,049,000. Okay, so it should be 394,000 divided by 2, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, and 4 zeros times 100. Okay, now time has come to find the percentage here. So how to find percentage of this? Like it is 8 divided by 18 times 100. So what should be your answer now? So if you see, it comes 44.44% here. So you can write down here 44.44%. If you go for B part is 1000 divided by 1200 times 100. So what should be your answer? It should be 83.33%. You can go for the decimals 2 places or decimal 1 places. It's up to you. Here already we have mentioned 1 decimal places. So you can go for 1 decimal place, but I'm writing at 2 decimal places now. Now C part is 128 divided by 153 times 100. Okay, so if you times by 100, then it comes 83.66, yeah, percent. Okay, now D part is 5 divided by 24 times 100. So this comes 20.83. Okay, 20.83%, and this one will be, you can see, you cancel 3 zeros by 3 zeros, 1 zeros by 1 zero. So what did we get? 394 divided by 249 times 10. Okay, so this should be 3940 divided by 249, and we get 15.82%. Okay, so if you want to write down answers for one places, then here will be correct answer. And I will request you, you can always pause the video and check your working. So these are the correct answer up to 1 decimal place. Okay, so this is okay. Now let's go for another question. Here it is given 370 students attend a primary school. Mrs. Jones says that at least 95% of students attended the school every day. So is Mrs. Jones is correct? Yeah. So what you need to do, so see here it is 360, 355, 352, 347, 357. So how many students were there? 370. And Mr. Jones says that at least 95% of students attended the school every day. It means every day how many? So 95% of, if you find 370, so 95% means 0.95. times 370. So how did you get 0.95? So if you see here, uh, 95%. So 95% you can write down 95 divide by 100, and if you divide by 100 you get 0.95. That's why I have written here 0.95. So let's do 0.95 times 370. So you can pick up your calculator. It comes 351.5. Okay, and Mr. Jones says at least 95% students attend the school every day. Every day. So 360, yeah. So 360 is more than 95 because it is 351, means number should be 351. So if you see on Thursday it is less than 347. So on Thursday they have not attended school, those who are giving 95%. So what I mean to say means Thursday attendance is less than 95%. 95%. Friday attendance 357, it is more than this, so that's okay. 352, it is 351.5, so that is also okay. 355, any number which is greater than 351.5, it means they have attended 95% students at least. Means it can be more than 95%, but at least. But on Thursday only less than 95% students attended. So is Mrs. Jones is correct? So answer will be no. Okay. So no, on Thursday less than 95% of students attended school. So Mrs. Jones is not correct. Let's go for another question. Here it is given, you need to find percentage of amount. So I can give you example like I'm showing you a. Here it is written 10% of 70 meter. Okay, m stands for meter here. So 10% means I can show you plenty of methods here. So first method is 10% means 10 upon 100. Of means multiply. 10% means you can write down here. Let me change the ink. 10% means 10 upon 100. Of means time sign, and 70 means it is 70. Yeah, so we got 70 here. So now there is nothing, so you can assume 1. You can sort out zeros first. Okay, so one top 0 cancel by one bottom 0, one top 0 cancel by one bottom 0. So we got here 7 meter. This is first method. Okay, if you don't like this method, you can go for second method. Yeah, what is second method? For question A, still I'm doing question number A. So second method is 10%. 10% means 10 upon 100. Okay, 10 upon 100 means 1 upon 10, that is 0.1. So you can multiply 0.1 by 70. So if you multiply 0.1 by 70, you get 7.0. So still you are getting answer 7. Okay, so uh, it's up to you which method you want to follow. You can follow first method, you can follow second method. I can explain you one more question, then you can pause the video and do all the parts. So B part is 25% of 16 seconds. Yeah, so 25% of 16 seconds. Okay, so 25% means 25 upon 100 and times 60. So nothing is cancelling. If nothing is cancelling, what you can do, you can multiply top with top and bottom with bottom. So 25 times 16 is how much? Let's multiply. So 25 times 16 is 400, and 100 times 1 is 100. So two zeros cancel, so we got 4%. If you don't like this method, then you can go for another method. What is that? 25% means you can write down 0.25 and times 16. So 0.25 times 16, if you multiply, then you get answer is 4. So it will be 4%. If you don't like this method, you can go for another method, that is, you can say 25% is basically 1 by 4. So 25% means 25 divided by 100, that is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 of 16. So 1 by 4 of 16 means 1 by 4 times 16 divided by 1. So 16 times 1 is 16, 4 times 1 is 4. So we got 4. Okay, so this is the way. So I will request you, please pause the video. I have solved question A and B and shown various methods. You can choose any methods which you like and solve question number C, D, E, F, G, H, I until P. Okay, please pause the video and have a go. Okay, welcome back if you have tried. So you can check your answers with my answers. So here are answers. Okay, so this is what you're supposed to do. Now, next question here, problem solving. Work out the amount of simple interest earned after 1 year for each of these investment. So simple interest formula I can explain you is given by P times R times T over 100. Okay, what is P, what is R, what is T? So I can explain you with the help of example. Suppose this is a bank which is called HSBC, and somebody has deposited here 100 pound in this bank. So okay, 100 pound. Now after 1 year he got 102 pound. Okay, so what it is here, so I can explain you now with the help of example. The amount he has deposited, that is called principal. Okay, principal. After 1 year, whatever amount you are getting, that is called amount. And this 1 year is time. Okay. And whatever amount you got extra, like 102 minus 100, that is extra 2 pound, that is called interest. Okay, so that's why simple interest formula is principal times rate times time divided by 100. Principal P is the amount which you have deposited. R is the rate on which bank is paying interest per year. So like in this question, A part, work out the amount of the simple interest earned after 1 year. So time is 1 year for each of these investment. So amount deposited, that is 1000. Rate is 5% per annum. So per annum, either you write down or per year. Both are same. A stands for annum. 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 So either you write per annum or per year. Both are same. And time is 1 year. Where time is given? Time is given here. 1 year. Okay. So simple interest formula is P times R times T divided by 100. What is P here? 1000. Write down here 1000. Rate is 5. Time is 1 and divide by 100. So if you see, we can cancel these two zeros, top zeros by bottom zero. I always say zeros will be top and bottom if you are cancelling. And what is left here? This 10 and 5. 10 times 5 is 50. So simple interest will be 50 pound for 1 year. Hope this is okay. So you need to remember this formula. Simple interest is P times R times T divided by 100, and I have explained you the concept. Now what you need to do, pause the video and have a go for these questions B, C and D. Please pause the video and have a go. So welcome back if you have tried. So let's check the answers for B, C and D. Okay, so for B answer is 6 pound, C is 400 pound and D is 48 pound. Okay, so these are the correct answer, and A, I have already done it for you. So I will stop here. So what you need to do, you need to revise percentage, do the exercise, and I'm going to upload this video on Microsoft Teams, so those who are absent, they can have a look, and you can revise this lesson. So thank you, thanks for watching. Goodbye.